Typical costs for a new heat pump. Glowworm's new heat pump range has been designed and built with quality and endurance in mind. The Genia Air has undergone rigorous testing to ensure that it can withstand weather conditions all year round and have highly efficient performance throughout. If you're interested in upgrading your heating system to a low-carbon technology like the Glowworm Genia Air, here are some considerations to help you make your decision. Installation and location. The Genia Air from Glowworm is an air source heat pump and should be installed outside of your home. During a quote and inspection, your installer will be able to advise on the best location for your heat pump. Air source heat pumps should be placed away from drains, light wells, and other openings. They are very quiet in operation, and a small distance makes a big difference to the noise level. Installation costs. An installer can visit and assess if your home is suitable for a heat pump. You will receive a quote after the initial survey. The Energy Saving Trust estimates that a typical air source heat pump installation could cost you around £11,000. This figure can vary depending on the size of your home, age of property, location, and if any other fabrications need to be upgraded to make your home suitable for a heat pump. In England and Wales, eligible homeowners can receive funding of up to £7,500 with the boiler upgrade scheme towards the cost of a heat pump. And in Scotland, homeowners can receive funding of up to £7,500 with uplifts available in rural areas through the Home Energy Scotland grant. You can find more information at these websites. Running costs. In the UK, heat pumps are ever growing in popularity, and to support this, energy providers often have tariffs that support renewable technologies. We recommend that you check with your energy provider to see if there is a more suitable tariff available for you and your home if you opt for a heat pump. Visit glowworm.co.uk for more useful information and to find your local installer. Heat pumps by Glowworm.